In this video, we'll show you how to block out location capacity at your venue. This feature is designed for Session Pass products and is useful for managing unexpected events, such as urgent maintenance in an area of your venue. In Venue Manager, navigate to Bookings and select Blocked Capacity. Adjust the date selector to the date you would like to block capacity for. Next, select the location you would like to block out. If you select a multi-booking location, you'll be prompted to set how much the capacity is to be reduced by. If you select a single booking location, it will ensure that the area cannot be booked for the selected time period. Adjust the times the blockout rule applies to. Click Save to confirm. Once this is set up, if a guest attempts to make a booking past the capacity limit, they'll see a sold out message. To edit an existing blocked capacity entry, simply find the block capacity from the list, click the three-dot icon on the right-hand side, and click Edit.